Deep in the rainforest, today is a peaceful cooking day. No hunting, no rushing, just outdoor cooking. All ingredients are prepared in advance. Fresh octopus, giant pumpkins, and simple seasoning. Everything begins with a quiet boat ride. A wooden boat moves slowly across the river. Surrounded by the deep green rainforest, the water is calm and peaceful. This journey feels slow and relaxing. On the boat rests today's feast. Several fresh octopus waiting to be cooked. Beside them sit large orange pumpkins. Simple ingredients, but full of potential. Soon the boat reaches the riverbank. A quiet spot becomes today's outdoor kitchen. Cooking in nature always feels special. The first task is preparing the pumpkins. A knife carefully cuts around the top. The lid slowly lifts away. The inside is cleaned and hollowed out. Turning the pumpkin into a natural cooking pot, this method has been used for generations. Nature provides both food and cookware. Next comes the octopus. Fresh, clean, and ready for cooking. Each piece is carefully prepared. Simple spices are added. Salt, herbs, and natural flavors. Nothing complicated, just pure taste. The octopus is gently placed inside the pumpkins. Seafood meets fresh vegetables. A perfect combination for slow cooking. Now the fire must be prepared. Dry straw is gathered first. Small sticks are placed on top. A spark begins the flame. Slowly, the fire grows stronger. Warm light flickers under the trees. The pumpkins are placed near the heat. Covered carefully like a natural oven, cooking slowly over open fire, time moves gently in the forest. Smoke rises into the cool air. The smell of food begins to spread. Patience is part of the experience. Slow cooking brings rich flavor. Nature provides the perfect atmosphere. Birds sing in the distance. Leaves move gently in the wind. This is peaceful outdoor living. After a long wait, the pumpkins are ready. The lids are slowly removed. Hot steam rises into the forest air. Inside, the octopus is perfectly cooked. Tender, juicy, and full of flavor. The pumpkin becomes soft and sweet. A beautiful jungle feast is ready. Food tastes better after slow cooking. And even better in the wild, the meal is served in nature. A calm ending to a peaceful day. Good food, fresh air, and quiet rainforest sounds.
오. 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 우와. 오. 오.